Hey Noble Ones, Metatron here. This is a little bit of an emergency. Many of you will remember the channel Todd's Workshop. If you remember, I made a response video to his video Longbow versus Armor, which was an excellent video. Anyways, his channel unfortunately has been hijacked. There was a problem through an email, which I will explain, that he has received. It was a phishing email. I will explain what happened in a little bit, but I'm in contact with Todd. He sent me an email letting me know that he has lost control over this channel. This channel, in fact, now has been renamed, and a hacker has got control over it, and I believe this hacker is live right now on his channel, is trying to scam people with Bitcoin. I'm not sure what he's doing. Anyways, probably this person will continue to publish fake content. It is not Todd. And again, Todd is a member of the Community of the Sword, and as you know, we in the Community of the Sword, we help each other in the moment of need. And right now I think that what we can do is to raise awareness. I'm in contact with Shad as well. Unfortunately, I think other people in the Community of the Sword right now are sleeping, but Shad is in Australia, I'm in America, we are still wide awake, and so we decided to try and do something about this. So Shad has contacted his contacts on YouTube. I've contacted my partner manager, but also we thought, Shad and I, we thought that it was a good idea to raise awareness and let you guys know in the community. Shad would have done it himself. He would have published a video, but he has just come out of surgery and he literally cannot speak. So I have just taken it upon myself to do this, absolutely no trouble, so that YouTube will do something about this. At the moment, Todd has been trying to contact YouTube, but YouTube has been silent, so we need to do something about this. I will leave a link in the description below to the channel that has been hijacked. It would be a good idea if you could let YouTube know, both through the customer support of YouTube, and you'll find in the description below, but also anywhere you can think to contact YouTube, and let them know that Todd unfortunately has lost control over his channel and this needs to be fixed. I really appreciate that if you could do that, because Todd is a good man. He doesn't deserve this. He said he has had a terrible day, and I can imagine that. And whenever one of our brothers in the Community of the Sword is under attack, we lock shields. So basically the way this happened, and Todd told me a little bit about it, I'll try to keep this video short because I want it out there as soon as possible. He received an email from YouTube supposedly. In reality it wasn't. It was someone posing as YouTube, and they tried to convince him to log in through his Google account. It's a similar situation to what happened to Scalagram recently, but for Scalagram it happened to his Facebook page, whereas to Todd it happened to his Google account and therefore his YouTube page, YouTube channel, even worse. So be very careful, any of you in the Community of the Sword, from small channel to big channels. What we have learned now is that whatever email comes that has to do with Google, with AdSense, with YouTube, it needs to be double checked before you can click to anything. Don't click links, don't download anything, because these people, we as content creators and owners of channels, are often targets for these people and the shady things that they want to do. YouTube will never ask you to log in through a link via an email address. That's never going to happen. So if you see that that's happening, if you see that that's what they're asking you to do, then right there you know that it's a fake email, it's a hijacker, it's a hacker, and they are trying to get control over your channel. If that's the case, erase the email and contact YouTube if possible to ask clarification. Again, if you're a content creator and you don't have a partner manager, because again that depends on the amount of subscribers you have, if you have a partner manager, contact your partner manager first, asking for clarification if you have received some strange looking email from supposedly YouTube or AdSense or Google. And if you don't have a partner manager, then perhaps contact me or contact Shad, and we will reply. And let's try and defend ourselves. We need to build a strong wall, because these people are attacking us and we are not going down without a fight. Alright, number one, as I said, I want to keep this short. I'm going to edit it now really quick, get it published. Let's try to get our friend his channel back. And I really appreciate your help as always.